Hi, in this video today, I'm going to talk to you about is hiring a coach an expensive affair? My name is Shraddha Agarwal and I am a success coach for women entrepreneurs. I help growth-minded and success-oriented women to identify and unlock their true potentials so that they can create an impactful and influential presence in the society. Speaking about coaches, the question that arises in mind is hiring a coach is an expensive affair. Yes, it is an expensive affair if you think it is an expense. The moment you think it is an investment, you will not find it expensive. What you invest today is going to give you the benefits tomorrow. What does a coach do? A coach will help you to improve your skills and the processes. A coach is a guide, a mentor. He's the one who knows about your weaknesses and strengths. He's the one who pushes you out of your comfort zone. He's the one who works on the mindset and the limiting beliefs that you have about yourselves. He's the one who will tell you what you are not able to do and want you to do that, taking you into the difficult situations so that you come out better of it. A coach is an accountability partner, somebody you can always rely upon, depend upon, and trust upon. He is confident. He is the one who will keep your secrets also. So he is the person who is looking after you in all your ups and downs. The more you open with your coach, the more you realize that you needed him the most. When we speak about coaching to our people, it's not about the investment that we see. We ask them to see about the value addition in what they are giving us. They get the value for life. When you hire a coach, you are the person who is going to get the maximum benefits of it. And believe me, the coach is the most happiest person to bring that change, the transformation in you. He's always the one, the best well-wisher you will ever find for yourself without asking anything in returns for it. It's an investment, I must say. At this point, I always say that why do you want to reinvent the wheel? There is somebody who has already been there and done that. Similarly, there is a coach who has gone through all the difficult phases and come out of it. And so here the person is to help you. So believe in the person and trust in the process. Believe in what he's going to offer to you. Just don't see the expenses, but look at the investment part of it and the future benefits. If you have those dreams, desires, aspirations, and goals, if you want to make the process faster, the coach is there to help you. By doing yourself alone, you might be taking a laid back attitude, you might be just relaxing, you might not get the push, you might just be so discouraged at times. So who is there to help you? The coach is the right person because he understands you, he knows who you are, and he knows where you want to go in life. So believe in the coach, trust in the coach, and you will be able to enjoy your life and achieve whatever you want to achieve in your life. Have a lovely day, my dear friends. This is Shraddha Agarwal, your success coach for the women entrepreneurs, helping women to upscale, uplift, and upgrade their life. Bye.